These are actually something I'm very excited about. These are titanium blades, and with the titanium blades you get roughly 2 to 3 times longer with that consistent sharp, real fine point on the edge of these blades, which means we don't have to replace them nearly as often. And Fabric Hut is actually doing a deal with these titanium blades. The nice thing too is that these titanium blades, while they last longer, they're also extremely sharp. So you don't have to apply the pressure that you would with a duller blade. And again, not having to replace them often. And when you quilt a lot, you go through blades. And these are just wonderful. And I've been using them for a while now, and I'm very happy with them. I'm still on the same blade that I received from Ricardo, and it's been quite a while. But again, I've got this pack of 10, and I can show you real quickly how easy it is to cut through these things. And this is just a single layer. But if you've got arthritis or you've got a bad shoulder, you can see how simply that cuts. I couldn't be happier with the way in which they cut. I have to apply very, very little force to that, and it's very user-friendly. And again, when we're working on things like this, you want to kind of have a means of making your work as easy as possible, as efficiently as possible. And that's what these tools allow you to do. So I highly recommend going to the Fabric Hut and checking out their wonderful deal that they've got. They've got a package deal. I'm not going to quote the price, that's on there. And another thing about the Fabric Hut is their incredible customer service. It's a small family-owned business, and they take care of their customers. If you're not happy with something, and you email Ricardo, he'll take care of you. And that really, in this world right now, and you know, always, it's not like, you know, there's a dire need for, well, actually there is. We need to be kind, and that's what these guys do. It's a way of treating people, and they do a fabulous job with that. They actually really care about their customers, and that makes a difference for us, and we feel that. And they spread that kind of kindness. And what got me was a written statement by Ricardo. And I was really moved at how much he clearly cared, and their whole staff really cares about making their customers happy and successful in what you're doing, what we're doing. So again, I highly recommend that. And this package is wonderful. Check it out. It's the Fabric.